Nabuwa.
Takbo na, Eduardo. Hey guys. Oh, ganda na guys. Oh, may mga friends guys. Ay. Oh, abanti guys. This is the view guys. Top view of Tunnel Beach in Dunedin City, New Zealand.
Siguro maganda ako dito pag ano yung low tide.
Oh.
Dahil wala yung tubig doon.
Oh.
Makakababa kayo doon. Oh. Pag low tide.
Yung dito talaga doon. May sila yun. Ay, kung may sila yun.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Everybody!
Hey.
Merry Christmas!
You can follow me guys at my YouTube channel, Boss D TV. Thanks guys and Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year to all. God bless. This is a top view guys of Tunnel Beach in South Island. The exact place is in Dunedin City. Guys. Please don't forget guys to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Boss D TV. This is it guys. What a beautiful scenery God gave. Stuff guys.